What's more important to your health than you realize? It might be the frequency with which you engage in sex. Surprised? Clinical research shows it has far-reaching effects on your prostate, testosterone, and overall vitality. We're diving into how these intimate moments could be your secret weapon for longevity, and why most men overlook this vital connection. It's time to rethink everything you've been told about health and aging. Point 1. Men with 21 plus monthly sexual activities have 36% lower prostate cancer risk, yet 87% believe the opposite. Many men believe that as they get older, sexual activity should naturally decrease. In fact, it's a common misconception that regular sexual activity actually increases the risk of prostate cancer. There's an underlying fear, a nagging belief that intimacy somehow puts strain on the body. In truth, this mindset is based on outdated or incomplete information. So many men, out of caution or simple misunderstanding, restrict their intimacy. The result? A missed opportunity for something that could actually benefit their health, not harm it. This fear, while understandable, is built on misinformation. And it's a shame because it limits so many from truly caring for themselves in a way that's incredibly natural. What's rarely discussed is that men who maintain a regular sexual routine actually have a lower risk of developing prostate cancer. Yes, you read that correctly. Studies show that men who engage in sexual activity 21 or more times per month experience a remarkable 36% reduction in their prostate cancer risk. And it's not just some surface-level statistic. There's a clear biological reason behind this. Regular sexual activity works in multiple ways to promote prostate health. First, it helps keep the prostate flushed of toxins and other unwanted substances, ensuring that the tissues remain healthy and functional. Think of it as maintaining the integrity of your engine. Routine use keeps everything running smoothly. Additionally, the physical activity involved in sex has a natural effect on overall circulation, contributing to improved vascular health. When the blood flow increases, it's not just helping one area of the body, it benefits your entire system, from the prostate to your heart and beyond. But the value goes beyond the physical. Regular intimacy also plays a crucial role in mental and emotional well-being. For those who are married or in a long-term relationship, sexual intimacy strengthens bonds and creates a sense of connection, a sense of being fully engaged with life. It's the type of health practice that's not just beneficial, it's vital. And in today's world, where many men shy away from these discussions, the openness about such health matters might be the key to redefining what it means to age gracefully. So, it's time to reconsider the approach. Instead of avoiding intimacy because of fear or outdated beliefs, consider it part of the solution, a necessary part of an aging man's toolkit. Engaging in regular sexual activity isn't a sign of immaturity. It's a sign of understanding your body's needs and protecting your health in a holistic way. And who knows, it might just be one of the most vital and life-affirming practices to help you maintain vitality for years to come. Point 2. Regular sexual activity increases testosterone 15 to 22% within 3 weeks, reversing age-related hormonal decline. As men age, the belief that they are powerless against the natural decline of testosterone becomes all too familiar. Many accept this as inevitable, something they must simply endure. The truth is, most men think their testosterone levels are just what they are, like a slow fade of the inevitable. And that mindset is often reinforced by the endless advertisements and products pushing testosterone boosters that promise the world but fail to deliver. What they don't tell you is that these products rarely address the most effective, natural form of testosterone stimulation, sexual activity. These products often overlook a crucial factor: natural stimulation. The body's ability to produce testosterone can be significantly boosted by simply engaging in regular sexual activity. It's easy to forget that the body responds to what it experiences, and sex is one of the most potent triggers for hormonal balance. Yet, most men, distracted by synthetic shortcuts, overlook this natural route. The power of sexual activity studies show that men who engage in regular sexual activity experience a significant increase in testosterone levels by 15 to 22% within just 3 weeks. That's not a distant promise. It's immediate. This increase helps counter the effects of aging by restoring vital elements like muscle mass, energy, and mental clarity, all essential for staying healthy and vibrant as you age. The ability to feel more alive, more capable, and mentally sharp starts with a shift in how you view intimacy. It's not just about pleasure, It's about restoring balance to your system in ways that synthetic supplements can't replicate. Increasing testosterone has far-reaching benefits beyond the physical. It can improve mood, sharpen focus, and boost vitality. It's not just about feeling stronger, it's about feeling alive with the mental clarity and energy to fully enjoy life, whether it's at work, with family, or in your personal goals. As men age, it's these things, muscle, energy, mood, that can be the difference between merely existing and truly living. Instead of relying on artificial supplements, consider sexual health as one of the most effective and natural methods to maintain or even boost your testosterone. The key is regularity, engaging in sex in a way that brings fulfillment and connection, whether with a partner or through your own natural rhythms. When you align physical activity with intimacy, you create a holistic approach to hormonal health, which isn't just about raising levels in isolation, but about living your life in balance. Add physical activity into the mix, and you're giving your body everything it needs to stay sharp, strong, and mentally clear. Sex, when approached naturally, should be viewed as a powerful tool in your arsenal for overall health and longevity, not something that's separate from, but deeply connected to, your vitality. Point 3. Sexual activity stimulates prostate fluid production with antimicrobial proteins. Men with low frequency have 4.2x more infections by 65. The common mistake: as men age, many begin to view sexual activity through a narrow lens, one that often reduces it to mere pleasure or even vanity. The idea that intimacy is less important or that it somehow becomes a vulnerability can drive some to avoid it altogether. There's a misconception that sexual activity is just about physical satisfaction, something less vital to health as the years go by. What many fail to realize is that sexual intimacy isn't just for pleasure. It's an essential part of maintaining the body's natural defenses. In fact, avoiding intimacy out of fear or disinterest can lead to health risks that far outweigh any perceived discomfort or decline. Regular sexual activity plays a critical role in the production of prostate fluids, which contain antimicrobial proteins. These proteins act as a natural defense mechanism, helping to protect against infections and maintaining the prostate's health. This is not a small matter. It's fundamental to the body's ability to ward off illnesses. When men engage in sexual activity, the prostate's ability to produce these protective fluids is enhanced, thereby reducing the risk of infections. Consider this: studies show that men who engage in sexual activity less frequently are 4.2 times more likely to experience infections by the time they reach 65. This isn't just about feeling good, it's about the body's ability to defend itself from serious health risks. The more a man avoids sexual activity, the greater the likelihood of infection, whether in the prostate or other parts of the body. The body thrives on stimulation, and without it, the natural defense mechanisms begin to weaken. What to do instead? The solution is clear. Regular sexual activity is not only important for maintaining vitality and connection, it's vital for keeping your immune system strong and your prostate healthy. This isn't about seeking pleasure for its own sake. This is about understanding that intimacy is a key piece of the puzzle for overall well-being. Men need to rethink their approach to aging and sexual health. The idea that sexual activity is optional or secondary should be dismissed in favor of a more holistic understanding. It's not about vanity. It's about preventing infections, maintaining long-term health, and ensuring a strong immune system. In a sense, it's a simple but powerful way to take charge of your health as you age. Avoiding intimacy doesn't protect you. It leaves you vulnerable. Embrace it, and your body will thank you for years to come. Point 4. Orgasm-induced oxytocin repairs vascular endothelium faster than pharmaceuticals, reversing tissue damage in 8 to 12 weeks. Many men are unaware of the profound health benefits that an orgasm offers beyond just physical pleasure. There's a tendency to overlook the deeper value, especially as stress, fatigue, and a busy lifestyle often push intimacy to the bottom of the priority list. Not having time, or being too tired after a long day, can easily become the go-to excuse. But here's the reality. The true power of intimacy is far more than a fleeting moment of release. It's about long-term health benefits, particularly when it comes to vascular health, which so many men fail to recognize. The key to these benefits lies in a natural hormone, oxytocin, which is released during orgasm. Most men have no idea that this hormone is responsible for far more than just the satisfaction of the moment. It plays a crucial role in your body's ability to repair and maintain the vascular system, the network that keeps your body running smoothly. When oxytocin is released, it works to repair the vascular endothelium, which is the thin layer of cells that lines your blood vessels. Over time, as the body ages and the vessels become damaged from stress or poor circulation, oxytocin acts as a natural restorative agent, significantly improving the function and integrity of your blood vessels. How oxytocin works. Research shows that oxytocin promotes faster tissue repair by reversing vascular damage more effectively than many pharmaceutical treatments. In as little as 8 to 12 weeks, regular orgasms can support the healing of vascular endothelium, leading to better circulation and more efficient blood flow throughout your body. That's right, intimacy, rather than relying on expensive medications or treatments, could be the solution to improving your vascular health. The release of oxytocin is your body's natural way of repairing itself, allowing for smoother circulation, stronger heart health, and a rejuvenated overall vitality. This is where so many men miss the mark. The healing potential of intimacy is often dismissed or ignored. Instead of turning to expensive, sometimes risky treatments, embracing regular sexual activity can provide a deeply restorative experience for your body. Not only does it improve circulation, but it also strengthens your heart and reduces stress, providing benefits that go well beyond the immediate physical pleasure. It's time to rethink how we view intimacy. Regular sexual activity isn't just a nice-to-have luxury, it's an integral part of maintaining your vascular health. By embracing this, you're capitalizing on the healing power of oxytocin, which works naturally to restore blood vessel function. Forget the pharmaceutical options. Regular, fulfilling intimacy provides you with the benefits of improved circulation and overall vitality at no additional cost. Consider this a powerful tool for longevity, one that's completely natural, enjoyable, and deeply restorative. Point 5. Prostate fibrosis accelerates 7x faster without sexual activity, becomes irreversible after 3+ years of abstinence. As men age, many begin to think that abstaining from sexual activity is a safer option, believing it avoids the potential risks associated with intimacy. The thinking often goes, less is safer, especially when it comes to sexual activity. The belief is that by doing less, they'll avoid stress or potential harm. But the truth is far from this. In reality, avoiding intimacy and sexual activity accelerates problems, particularly with prostate health. The body thrives on regular activity, and sexual health is no exception. Cutting it out entirely doesn't protect you. It sets the stage for a far more serious issue that most men never see coming. Here's where the science paints a stark picture. Prostate fibrosis, the thickening and scarring of prostate tissue, can accelerate up to 7 times faster in men who abstain from sexual activity. It's not just a slow process, it's rapid and damaging. After just 3 years of abstinence, this fibrosis can become irreversible, leading to severe health consequences. That's right, what might seem like a harmless choice, avoiding intimacy, can lead to irreversible tissue damage, making the problem far more difficult to address down the line. Sexual activity plays a crucial role in preventing this buildup of scar tissue. Regular intimacy helps keep prostate tissue healthy by encouraging blood flow and the natural function of the gland. When the prostate is engaged through sexual activity, it helps to keep the tissue from thickening and becoming fibrotic. It's not just about keeping the engine running in the usual sense. It's about maintaining healthy tissue that performs its crucial function for your body. When you avoid sexual activity, you miss out on this natural preservation process. What to do instead? Maintaining regular sexual activity, regardless of age, is essential for long-term prostate health. This doesn't mean seeking intimacy out of obligation. It means understanding that it's a vital part of your health routine. Regular activity keeps the prostate tissue functioning smoothly, preventing fibrosis and maintaining its health for years to come. The advice here is simple. Stay active in your sexual life. Whether through intimate connections with a partner or otherwise, find ways to keep this aspect of your health a priority. It's not about quantity, but consistency, keeping your body engaged in a natural and healthy way. Prostate health isn't something that can be ignored, and by staying sexually active, you're preserving more than just your pleasure. You're ensuring the health and function of one of the body's most important organs, all while avoiding the irreversible damage that comes from abstinence. Bonus point. The perfect frequency is 15 to 25 monthly. There's a biological Goldilocks zone for sexual activity that most doctors don't talk about. It's not about doing too little or pushing yourself into excessive extremes. The sweet spot for prostate health and testosterone levels is between 15 and 25 sexual activities per month. That's right, 15 to 25 times. This is the frequency that seems to support optimal health, maintaining a balance that protects against prostate issues and supports healthy hormone levels. But here's the catch. Too little or too much can have the opposite effect. When sexual activity falls to zero, the body starts to miss out on vital benefits. And studies have shown that this lack of activity actually increases the risk of prostate cancer. On the other hand, going beyond 30 times a month can lead to overexertion and hormonal imbalance, also raising the risk of cancer. Both extremes create a harmful imbalance in the body, stressing the system in ways that no one really talks about. The truth is that moderation in sexual activity, being within that 15 to 25 times per month range, can provide a more balanced, healthier outcome, helping your body stay aligned for longer. What to do instead? Aim for consistency, not extremes. Focus on maintaining that ideal frequency, not too little, not too much. It's not about obsessing over numbers, but rather about maintaining a healthy, regular pattern that supports prostate health, boosts testosterone, and keeps your entire system in sync. Moderation is the key to longevity in many aspects of life, and sexual health is no different. By staying in that Goldilocks zone, you're not only improving your well-being, but also giving your body the natural support it needs to thrive. To recap, the key takeaways from today's discussion are vital for maintaining your health as you age. First, sexual activity and prostate health are deeply interconnected. Regular intimacy reduces the risk of prostate cancer, with studies showing that men who engage in sex 21 or more times a month have a 36% lower risk. It's not just about pleasure, it's about protecting your body's most important systems. Next, boosting testosterone naturally is possible through sexual activity. Regular intimacy can increase your testosterone levels by 15 to 22% in just 3 weeks, countering age-related hormonal decline. This benefits everything from muscle mass to energy, mood, and mental clarity, key components of living a vibrant life. Additionally, preventing infections and fibrosis is crucial for long-term health. Sexual activity helps stimulate prostate fluid production, which contains antimicrobial proteins that protect against infections. Men who engage in sexual activity less frequently are 4.2 times more likely to suffer from infections by the time they reach 65. Regular intimacy keeps your prostate healthy and your immune system strong. Finally, oxytocin and vascular health are closely tied. Orgasm releases oxytocin, which not only enhances emotional bonding, but also promotes faster vascular repair. This natural hormone helps improve blood flow and circulation, sometimes more effectively than pharmaceutical treatments, leading to stronger cardiovascular health. In summary, maintaining sexual activity is a natural and powerful way to support your prostate, boost your testosterone, prevent infections, and improve vascular health. The key is moderation and consistency, doing what's right for your body in a balanced way. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content like this and share it with someone who could benefit from the information. Your support means a lot. Thank you for your time and commitment to your health. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow.